going on, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dicauca. I'm just a beginner fisherman who's learning everything through trial and error and experimentation. So if you have any advice, tips, or pointers for me, please do share it, and I hope you find these videos entertaining. Thank you for watching. We're gonna go right there. The only thing you gotta watch out for is the high tide. Here it is, the secret spot. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how I tie a knot around this weight. There's many ways to do it. This is how I'm gonna do it today. I'm gonna tie a simple little knot that goes around twice, just to be safe. Goes around twice, and I make sure that the loop is big enough to go around the weight. And then I pull it just to make sure it's tight. Now I take that loop that I made and I put it through the weight. And then I open it up. And loop it around the weight. And there it is, onto the weight. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give myself some line. Alright, so I have this much line to work with. Now I'm gonna take these pre-made hooks with the loop around it, 2 of them, and tie it about a foot apart. You take the line and you put the hook through the loop. Simple as that. And then you pull it and it'll be stuck on the fishing line. Boom. That's about almost a foot away from the weight. Another foot above that previous hook. It's a little bit windy out here. There it is. You pull it so that it gets tied to a fishing line, and you're ready to go. As easy as that. I know in the beginning for me, when I was first starting out, it was very confusing, and I improvised. I did whatever felt right, and this is something that I've stuck with. Now you throw the bait on there and cast it out there, and you wait. I was getting bites. I missed a bite. Use some of this magic string to keep your bait on. It's really useful. Just wrap it around the bait that's around your hook, and then when you feel like it's tight, just pull it, and that's that. I've been getting a little bit of nibbles and a little bit of bites, but no takers. Try it again. I'm just gonna throw it right out there, right into the sun. so they can see it. Oh man, darn it. Jeez, I had some bites, strong bites. Let's try it again. Let's go right back to the same spot. This is what makes everything fun. Some days you come out here and you wait all day and you get no bites, you don't get anything at all. Some days you come out here, as soon as you drop the bait in, you get a fish on. And then some days is a battle, back and forth, back and forth. Hopefully you're ready to set the hook when the time is right. And that's what keeps it exciting, you know, it's never the same. I'm gonna try it out here for a little bit. Oh yeah. Reel it in, keep your line tight, and let's wait. I usually don't cast it this way. I usually have a lot of luck in that little pool right there. I feel like I'm getting little bites over there, but nothing's sticking. So I'm gonna try this spot for a little bit, and then I wanna go over there next. Last few times I fish over there, I've been really lucky. So I'm gonna give this spot a couple tries, and then I'm gonna go over there. All right, so we're gonna head over there to that rock right there. See if we get any luck over there. Oh yeah. Fishing alone, you definitely want to be careful and not take too many risks, because if you happen to get hurt, nobody knows you're out here. You know? So you definitely want to be careful. Have fun, enjoy yourself, but be cautious. You could easily twist an ankle and it'll be a lot difficult for you. Things will get really difficult. And then you see these rocks came from somewhere, most likely up there. So when you're walking, pay attention to that, because if you're walking where the rocks fell, a rock might fall on you. All right, we're here. It's less windy over here because of this wall right here, but hopefully it's the same over there. The thing is, right here, it's like a cliff. It's like a mini cliff, and then there's a lot of algae on the rocks, so you just gotta watch out for that. All right, game face, focus, be careful. All right. See, I was raised in the streets of the Hard Knocks, so I would recommend you wear the right type of shoes and don't try to pull a stunt like me. See that? I might slip. I'm just giving you a heads up. I might slip. It is extremely slippery, but oh great. Hopefully we don't go swimming today. See, the cave is right here. Yeah, it's definitely very windy out there, but you know what? I've never fished in this cave. Let's go see what's around here. It's a lot drier right here, but it's also a lot higher right here. Yeah, that's the thing to watch out for, is you can climb up, but it might be hard to climb down. All right, let's see. All right, let's get to fishing. So I felt a little bite, and I reeled it in, and I noticed that the fish swam into the rocks. So we got a fish, y'all. We finally got a bite. I told you this spot was good. It was just a little windy, but look at that. Look at that right here. It's not bad. That's a nice looking fish right there, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and unhook it and see what else is out there. Yeah, so it barely gave me any kind of bite. Not bad at all. Already. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can unhook this thing. Yeah. And keep it in the water. Go ahead. Yes! Yes! No skunk, no skunk. Yes, I'm so happy. Oh, I am so happy right now. I am so happy. Even though it's really small, I'm so happy I didn't get skunk on my first video. Little guy right here, I barely even felt him bite. As I was reeling it in, because I was going to recast, I noticed a little bit of vibration, and then I set the hook, and then I thought I got stuck on a rock, because it was stuck, it wasn't going anywhere. So I waited a little bit, and I felt a little bit more vibration, and that's when I thought I had a fish on, but I was stuck. So I thought the fish probably swam into a rock or something. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! That's right, boy. We did it. 2 fish. Look at that. Oh yeah. No skunk today. Look at that. Oh man. Oh man. This is a good spot. I like this spot. Oh yeah. Let's see. Let's see what we're gonna do. Let's see. Okay. That's 2 fish today. This is a great spot. Oh yeah, he swallowed his. Deep too. I'm gonna have to get the pliers. There it is. Got him. 2 fish, baby. This one is yellow, the other one was burgundy. Woo! 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 Alright, you guys. This might be my last cast right here. Oh, sorry. This is beautiful. So that was probably my last cast. We're gonna chill here and just enjoy the view and enjoy this wonderful day. Today was a successful day. I was a little bit antsy at first because it being my first video and all, I wanted it to you know, to have some action, and I usually am more patient and I usually tend to stay in the same area a lot longer, but today I really wanted to catch a fish on video for you guys, and I'm happy I did. I'm really happy I did, and it turned out to be a wonderful day, a wonderful trip, and I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy the view. Alright, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a great time going out there fishing, and one thing I noticed is that I had two hooks on my line, the top one and the bottom one. I noticed I kept getting bites on the bottom one. Alright, so I'm going to take note of that, and I'm going to remember that. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I fried up some fish, made a fish sandwich, put some black pepper and soy sauce on the bread with a little bit of this green stuff that I found. I know it's edible, I just don't know what the name is. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys next time. Delicious.